Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today it is time for our monthly Ipsy Bag unbagging video. And yes, I do have my little ones again. Disclaimer, if you hear some little voices in the background, those are my babies. So just putting that out there. Let's get started, shall we? Oh, I didn't even say, but if you guys don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service where you pay, I think, $12 a month. You get a bag full of little goodies, and this is what I got. Okay. Ooh, okay, so this is what the bag looks like for this month. It says Escape. It's like this nice little, what material is this? I don't know. Hold on, sweetheart. Oh, and there's something outside of the bag. Okay, so let's take a look at what is outside of the bag. Can I see that, please?
It's a volume thing of guest.
A volume thing of guest? Ooh, okay. This is the Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. This is by Serum Botanicals. Oh, it's in pitch black. So yes, I love me a good black liner. I love testing them out and seeing what works and what doesn't. So this is vegan, GMO free, gluten free, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, hyperallergenic, with kale and ginkgo biloba extracts. So this is what it looks like. I think I have used stuff from Serum Beauty before. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. I'm always curious about liners. Right here. Ooh, that went on nicely. I definitely feel like watery, like very liquidy, but we'll see. It's taking quite a bit to dry down, but it is pretty black. So yes, I will definitely give that a go and see how I like that. So the next thing we have is this hydrating mask by Verb. I actually have not used Verb products, although my local beauty supply does carry them. I haven't used them, but there's a couple of products that I've been wanting to try, and my hair is always dry no matter what. So I am definitely going to try this out. Honestly, with my hair, this is probably going to last me like one, maybe two applications. Maybe, we'll see, but I will try it out and give it a go because I can always use extra moisture. Okay, so the next thing that I have is Rep. I don't know how to pronounce it, what their actual name is, but it's Real Element Practice. Sika, or I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that's actually a new ingredient, or it's just like a word that I've been seeing everywhere. I honestly am not too knowledgeable about what it actually is. I have been seeing that everyone. So this is a Phytocell Moisture Sika All-in-One Serum. Okay, so if you guys have been with me for a while, you are aware that my skin has been through like the ringer lately. I am blaming stress on everything because it's been rough. So we'll try it out, and it looks like it actually is a Korean product. So generally I hear good things about Korean skincare, so we'll give it a go. So the next thing that I got is by Naked Cosmetics, and it's their Naturally Nude pigment, I guess.
I guess that's a web cable?
No, it's an eye pigment, but I think I have it already. So I do have one, but it's in a different shade. So I have it in the shade Heavy Metal, but this one is Naturally Nude. Generally, I don't really use pigments, to be honest, just because it's like inconvenient and I don't want to worry about the mess and stuff. But when I do use them, I like them. I actually have not used that before, so I'll try that one and I'll give it a go. And last but not least is the Pure Lease Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream. I actually am a huge fan of their, I guess, original BB cream. So I actually spoke about the original one in a past favorites video. I absolutely love it. This one I guess is a little bit more dewy and glowy, which I won't complain about. So I'm excited to try this and see if I like it just as much as I like the original. That does it for this month. This bag is super cute. Definitely, you know, summer vibes and all that. We know obviously the summer is a little bit different than what we're used to, but things like this I feel like keep the spirits up, keep it going, make us feel like we're still living how we used to be living. So all good. So to recap, we got, let's start from the beginning. We got eyeliner, a hair mask, pigment, a face serum. It's like a cream serum, it looks like, and a BB cream. Pretty good. I will give all these a test out and let you guys know how I like it. So If you want to go ahead and sign up for Ipsy, I will leave the link down below. If you want to check it out, let me know if you already signed up and what you got. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video.
Okay. What was that? Oh, sorry, silly. We have a snack situation. Hold on. We're trying to help you, babe. Hold on. We do have a situation. We're back.
Makeup is just for fun.
Makeup is just for fun.
And remember, we have a baby cream.
We have a BB cream. Okay.